Good day to Doctor and my team member. Allow me to introduce myself. I am BALARAJAN SANNASY and my ID is CE190056. Today our group will present about the earth leakage relay test of lab MEI of activity 2. Okay, let's begin. I will present the introduction part, explanation 1, 2, 3 as well as conclusion. Firstly, for the introduction, earth leakage relays, also known as ELR, ground fault relay, are residential current monitors (RCM) that are used to detect potentially harmful ground fault current before they produce a hazard. Ground fault current can be caused by a variety of factors, including inadequate insulation as a result of mechanical damage to cable and devices. Earth leakage relay (ELRs) prevent electrical system and pupil against direct and indirect contact. Earth leakage relays, as illustrated in Figure 1, are developed on an electronic basis to monitor earth fault currents. In Figure 1.0 shows earth leakage relay. The earth leakage relay consists of 3 indicator LED, which is power on, real-time leakage indicator, as well as strip LED. Then also consists of test and reset button. In addition, consists of time setting knob known as TS and also current setting knob known as IS. Then for the explanations part, the explanation for function, current and time setting in earth leakage relay, as well as the operation of real-time leakage indicator. For the ELR current setting IS is the current setting in ELR used to preset the leakage current level. The relay contact will operate to trip the circuit breaker when the preset leakage current level was detected. Then, for the time setting, also known as TS in earth leakage relay, the time setting used in earth leakage relay for control the relay contact operating time for tripping the circuit breaker after the preset leakage current level was detected. In addition, the operation of real-time leakage indicator in relay. The real-time leakage indicator show at a glance the real-time leakage level. The LED will turn on when the leakage current is present. Then consists of connection of earth leakage relay to zero current transformer known as ZCT, bus bar, and MCCB by referring Figure 2. The ZCT and MCCB connected in low voltage switchboard before connected the output load. Then the ZCT connected with the earth leakage relay of output pin 1 and 2. Next, the MCCB tripping signal connection connected from terminal output of pin 10 of earth leakage relay. After that, the auxiliary power supply for the earth leakage relay feed from bus bar live 1 and also neutral of ELR terminal of pin 7 and 9. Then I will present for the function of zero phase current transformer, also known as ZCT, bus bar, and MCCB in the circuit. The zero phase current transformer are differential sensors that feed both the line and the grounded neutral conductors in the CT aperture to create a zero phase sequence in the occurrence of a leakage current or a fault current on the line. After that, for the bus bar, to improve power system reliability by sustaining power evacuation in the event of feeder tripping due to a fault. In addition, for the MCCB circuit breaker, a molded case circuit breaker, also known as MCCB, is a type of electrical protection device that is used to protect the electrical circuit from an excessive current which can cause overload or a short circuit. Finally, for the next presentation, I will pass to my team member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afandi bin Muhammad KHUSRIN. My metric number is DE190109. In this video, I will explain about the question number 4, 5 and 6 Roman. So, for the number 4 Roman, the question is the function of each pin in ELR, which is pin number 1, 2, 7, 9, 10 and 12. So, for pin number 1, so it located at here. So, it connect to the secondary part S100 of the zero current transformer. So, from here, it will connect to the S1000 part of zero current transformer. Next is pin number 2. Pin number 2 is located at here. So it will connect to the secondary part S200 of the zero current transformer. So from here, it will connect to the S200 part of the ZCT. The next pin is pin number 7. So it will located at here. The function is auxiliary terminal that connect to AC power supply bus bar at negative terminal to operate the ELR. So it will, from the pin number 7, it will connect to the bus bar of neutral. Next is pin number 9. So the function is act as auxiliary power supply terminal that connect to AC power supply bus bar at positive terminal to operate the ELR. So from pin number 9, it will connect to the H phase bus bar. Next is pin number 10. So it will located at here. So the function as normally open NO terminal and act as a bridge between MCCB and power supply terminal. So it will act as a bridge between the MCCB here and the power supply here. The last pin is pin number 12. So pin number 12 is located here. So it's a function as a common home terminal when the current exit from the LR. So when it discharge, the current will pass through the pin number 12. Next, for the question number 5, the function of secondary injection test set. So there are 3 functions. So the first function is to check the protection system from the earth leakage relay ELR input terminal onward is functioning in good condition with the settings specified in the ELR system. Next, can verify all the related circuits, connection and gear of the secondary protection system. The last function is can make a proper performance of the ELR by checking all the associated circuit and device that relate to the component. Next, for the question number 6 Roman, it want the connection of secondary injection test set to the ELR. So based on the figure 8, I label the each pin in the picture. So for the pin 1 and pin 2, it will located at here. Next pin is pin number 7 and 9. So it located at the power source. And the last 2 pin is pin number 10 and pin number 12. So pin number 10 located at the contact and the pin number 12 located at the trip. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is IMRAN bin MOHAMAD GHAZALI, metric number CE190118. And I'm going to answer the question number 7 and 8. For question number 7, the method to perform the earth leakage relay test using the secondary injection test for checking the minimum current setting. Okay, first of all, this test is carried out using the secondary current injection test set. Our first step is a single phase primary current is to be injected into one of the primary conductors to induce a secondary current on the zero current transformer. But before that, ensure that the primary circuit of the current transformer is de-energized before conducting the test. Then supply the earth leakage relay with an external voltage of 240 volts. Then set up the secondary current injection test set at 0 to 10 amps and 0 to 240 volts AC. After that, check and record all particulars relay under the test and operational settings. Then increase the output current of the test set gradually until the earth leakage relay element picks up. Record the pickup current reading. Finally, switch off the secondary current injection test set. Okay, now for question number 8. The method to perform the earth leakage relay test using secondary injection test for checking the operating time. Okay, for this one, first connect a relay trip contact to secondary current injection test set timer terminus. Then switch on the secondary current injection test set and set the output current to 2 times of the pickup current and 3 times of the pickup current tripping current setting. Okay, then switch off the test set with control knob remaining in the set position. Then switch the secondary current injection test set to the test position to inject the set current and start the timer at the same time. After that, the relay trip contacts are operated and record the relay operating time. Finally, disconnect all wiring between test set and relay to ensure that all connections to relay are returned to the normal operation condition, and switch off the test set. That's all. Thank you.
Hi again, I'm BALARAJAN and we will present the conclusion part of this lab. From this lab, we are able to explore the use of relay to operate equipment and system in connection with the functioning of low voltage switchboard. By understood the function of a leakage relay operation in power system by interpret the ELR setting. Also able to explore the use of relay in protection of equipment and system in combination with low voltage switchboard, which is the ELR component will isolate the power supply to the load whenever detected earth leakage current in the power line with a support of current transformer, also known as zero phase current transformer. In addition, able to describe concisely how the earth leakage relay test is carried out in power system field by interpret the preset leakage current as well as time setting used in earth leakage relay for control the relay contact operating time for tripping the circuit breaker after the preset leakage current level was detected. That's all from us. Thank you so much.